Hello students, in this chapter quadratic equations, let's continue solving exercise 10.4 in this video. Third problem, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find the length and breadth. So what it is given? A rectangular mango grove. Okay, so this is the rectangle, you know, right? So opposite sides will be equal. So the bigger length, that is called length, and the shorter side is called breadth. Okay, so the length is twice its breadth. So breadth we are taking as x. So in terms of x, we have to refer length. So length will be 2 times of breadth. So 2 into x. That's why it is written 2x meter. And already it is given in the question that area is 800 meter square. Okay, so area is 800 meter square. So with this we have to find out whether we can do the mango grove in the rectangular form and find its length and breadth. Okay, so let's start solving. So breadth is taken as x and length is taken as 2x. Area of the rectangular mango grove is 800 meters square. So what is the area formula actually? It is length into breadth. So length into breadth equal to 800 because it is already given in the question. So length into breadth equal to 800. So what is length? Length is 2x and breadth is x. So x into 2x equal to 800. So remove the bracket. So you will get 2x square equal to 800. So what is x? So we have to find out value of x. So we are bringing the 2 to the RHS. So it will be 800 divided by 2. So you will get 400. That is x square. So we want x now. So what to do? We have to do the square root of 400. So square root of 400 will be plus or minus 20 meter. Okay, you know, right? So you have 2 zeros here. So you write 1 0 in the root. After taking the root, you will have 1 0. Okay, this you would have studied in your earlier classes. So you have 2 zeros here. So write 1 0 in the answer and 4 here. So 4, it's a square number. So taking root of 4 is 2. So 2 0. So that is 20 you will get when you take square root of 400. So you need not do a lengthy calculation. By seeing itself you can do. Okay. So 2 zeros will be written as 1 0 and root of 4 is 2. So 20 you got. Plus or minus 20 meter. But a length cannot be in negative. So the breadth of the mango grove will be 20 meter only. Plus 20 only is possible. So breadth is 20 means length is 2 into x, that is 40 meter. Okay, breadth and length we got now. So it is possible to construct a rectangular mango grove of length 40 meter and breadth 20 meter. That's the answer. Then fourth problem, is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. Okay, so they are asking whether it is possible or not. So we have to determine if it is possible. Okay, the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years is 48. Okay, at present their sum of the age is 20. And 4 years ago means what? It's past. So you have to minus 4. Okay, so minus 4. So that time if you take the product of their age, it is 48. Okay, so let's start now. So we will take one friend age as x years. Then one more friend will be 20 minus x. Why? Because it is given in the question, it is sum of their age is 20. Okay, so one friend age is x means the other friend age is 20 minus x. That will be the other friend's age. Okay, so 4 years ago. So you have to minus 4 from both the friends' age. So x minus 4 and 20 minus x minus 4. Okay, for both the ages you are doing minus 4. Okay, So this will be reduced to 16 minus x years. Okay. Then according to this condition, this new that past 4 year ago their age, that product is 48. So that we are writing. So product of first friend and second friend equal to 48. Now remove the bracket. So you have to do the multiplication. So you will get 16x minus 64 minus x square plus 4x equal to 48. So simplify still more. So you will get minus x square, and this 16x plus 4x's will be 20x, and minus 64, and this 48 also came to the LHS. So you will get minus 64 minus 48. So still more you can simplify as minus 112. Okay. So multiply the full equation by minus 1. So you will get x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So where a is 1, b is minus 20 and c is 112. So we have to find out whether the roots are possible or not. Okay. So in order to find out that, we are using the discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac. Substitute in that. So b square is minus 20 square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 112. So minus 20 into minus 20 is 400. Okay. Minus 4 into 1 into 112. So 4 into 112 if you do, you will get 148. Okay. So you have 100 minus 148. So you answer you will get in minus 48 you got. So when d value is minus, it is less than 0. What it means? It means that the equation doesn't have a real root. Okay. They have imaginary number. They don't have the real root. So it's not possible to find out the age of the friends. Okay. So this situation is not possible. Then fifth problem. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Okay. So we have to find out whether it is possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter. Perimeter is given. Okay, what is the perimeter of rectangle? It is 2 into L plus B. Okay. Then area is also given. Area is length into breadth. That is also given as 400 meter. So we have to find out its length and breadth. So let's take length as x and perimeter is 80 meter. Okay. So formula for perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Okay. So that is given as 80. So you can write like this: length plus breadth equal to 80 divided by 2. This 2 I have brought to the RHS. So 80 divided by 2. So you will get 40 here. And already length I said it is x. So what is the value for breadth? Breadth will be 40 minus x. Okay. So in terms of x we want breadth value. That's why we done this step. Okay. Understood? Length is taken as x. Perimeter is 80, it is given. So what is the perimeter formula? 2 into L plus B. Okay. So equate it to this formula, to 80. Okay. So we know L as x. Okay. So substitute that. So in terms of x you want breadth. So breadth we got it as 40 minus x. Okay. Then what is area formula? Area formula is L into B. So substitute this L and B value, that is x into 40 minus x equal to 400. 400 is already given in the question. So now remove the bracket. 40 into x is 40x minus x into x, you will get x square equal to 400. Then rearrange it. So after rearranging, I got x square minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation I got. So in order to factorize, I used splitting of middle terms. Okay. Sorry children. So this is the quadratic equation. Here you have A is 1, B is minus 40 and C is 400. Okay. So what will be the discriminant? D. B square minus 4AC. So substitute in that. So you will get minus 40 square minus 4 into 1 into 400. So minus 40 into minus 40, it is 1600, and 4 into 400, you will get 1600. So 1600 minus 1600, you will get 0. So if the D value is 0, what it means? The quadratic equation has two equal real roots. So it will have two root which is equal. Okay. So substitute in the formula. So after substituting, you will have minus B. Okay, minus B is minus of minus 40. Okay, and this root of B square minus 4AC, just now we found out it is 0. So no need to write it. So leave that and write the denominator alone. So denominator is 2 into A. A is 1. So 2 into 1. So simply I have written 2. Okay. So minus of minus will become plus. So plus 40 divided by 2. So 40 divided by 2 is 20. So x value is 20. So what is x? Length of the park is 20 meter. And what is breadth? Breadth is 40 minus x. So substitute that. So you will get 40 minus 20 equal to 20 meter. So you see that length, breadth both are equal to 20 meter. Okay. So the park is a square having 20 meter as side. Okay. So you can't make a rectangular park. It is a square park having 20 meter as its sides. So that's all for this video. Thank you children.